looks like wood anyway.
I know.
You can probably buy a contour like wood, actually.
Is this the young horse?
I think it is. I don't.
Good. That's all right. That's all right. You got half of your lead. Yep. Right hand. Good. Stay a little quieter on top. Keep going. Relax. Perfect. Outside rein. Left leg. Straight. Gonna be a little tight. Tight, 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 tight. And help him. Good. Very good. Now really quiet in the rollback. Sit in the saddle. You need to move up just a little bit. Jen, you need to. All right. Right leg. Flowing 5, direct. Direct. Yes, very good. Circle, canter, jump the yellow again, canter, please. Yellow again to the blue in 5, not 6. When you make that roll back, keep your left leg on, looser in your elbow. Go, go, go. Yes, now whoa, whoa. Again, do the 5, yellow to green. Back to the 5, yellow to blue. Wait. Let go. That's it. Now 5, yellow to blue. Sit up taller. Sink in. Get him off your hand. Get him light. Perfect. Let go. Now a little check here. And sit up and let go. Yes. Good job. Circle left. Trot. Good. And walk. I think that's good.